Hi there! Welcome to the add-ons. In today's video, I will show you how to use and customize the stars rating field inside Elementor Forms. You are viewing a demo of this plugin. Let's start with us. Section 1. Adding the stars rating field. Open Elementor and drag in the form widget. In the field panel, under Type, choose stars rating. Enter the label. Edit the visible title of your rating field. Next, move on to Section 2, Rating Type Configuration. Type. The default type is star, meaning user will rate using stars. You can also select like and dislike to show thumbs up and thumbs down icons. When you are using the star type, you can choose from several icon styles. Number stars defines how many icons are displayed. For example, 5 stars. Default sets the default value when the form loads. For example, if you set it to 4, the first 4 stars will already be selected. Head to the last section, Design and Appearance. Star size. Use the slider to adjust the icon size. Color default. This controls the color of icons before they're selected. Color active. This controls the color of icons after they are selected. Once you've customized your settings, click Save and preview your form on the front end. You should now see your rating field fully functional and interactive. Now let's take another example of likes and dislike type. Add a new field. Choose like and dislike type. Save and have a preview. Now I will take example of remaining star icons. Publish and have a preview. And that's how you can easily add and customize a star rating field. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.